Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your host in Hostinger. Uh, moving a site from one hosting provider to another can feel tricky, but with Hostinger's built-in migration tool, the process is actually really smooth. Let's dive in. First, open up your browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Click on the login button and sign in with your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up before you can continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land inside the hPanel dashboard. This is where you manage your hosting, your domains, and your websites. From the left-hand menu, go ahead and click on Websites. Inside the Websites section, look for Migrations. This is the feature that lets you transfer your site from another hosting provider into Hostinger. Click on it to open the migration page. Now click on the button that says Migrate Website. Hostinger will ask for some details from your old hosting account. That usually includes things like your old control panel link, your username, and your password. Carefully enter your old host details here. Double check them, because if anything's typed wrong, the migration could fail. After that, just follow the on-screen prompts. Hostinger has automated most of this, so you don't need to manually move files or databases. Once everything's submitted, Hostinger handles the heavy lifting. You'll usually get an email or a dashboard notification when the migration is done. Depending on your website size, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. And that's it. You've successfully changed your host to Hostinger. Moving a site might sound complex, but breaking it down into these steps makes it way easier. If you ever get stuck, Hostinger's support team is just a chat away. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next guide.